You got it. You got it, Ange. Drink a sip of my coldest water. What you think about this bottle, right, Angel? You like it, right?
I didn't think it was gonna be as cold as it is, but it actually is cold.
Yeah, see, I told you. And it's convenient, right? Keeps your water nice and cool. So remember, the link for the coldest water bottle is gonna be in the description below, so check that out. We're gonna take your measurements. We're gonna take your waist, your neck, your hips, both thighs. This is a way so that you can determine what you're losing, right? So the scale is not going to tell you, your clothes are going to tell you, and the measuring tape. Sometimes we pay attention to the scale and we think that we're not losing weight, just to give you a heads up. So right now let's take your weight first. We're going to do your weight first.
Take off my shoes?
Yeah, take your shoes off. Just write it down. Did you eat anything this morning?
Nope.
So at Angel Fasted State, 2:48. All right, starting point. You don't know how easy this is going to be for you. And I'm almost jealous because you're younger. And it's like, it's so easy. The only thing you need to do is just stay consistent. That's it.
Yeah.
And that's the toughest part. But as far as your age go, right now is the perfect time for you to just definitely just dial in.
Honestly, just lazy.
I know.
Like, I'm just
I know.
lazy, that's it.
All right, let me do your BMI and then we'll do the measurements last. All right, so
It's like
set.
a hand thing?
Yeah, it's a set thing. So a hand thing. You say you're 5'5", right?
Yeah, supposedly.
What do you mean supposedly? And it has a quarter, it has a half, a 3/4. Do you want me to input that? No? Okay, so set that. 5'5" to, yeah, bring it up just a little bit more. Because it's supposed to determine your heart rate and bring it up over your chest. Like this. I mean, extend your arms while you do that. We're just gonna press start. Body fat 43. Okay. Body fat 43%. All right, so we're done with the weight and the BMI. Hi. Hey. Hey. Hey.
She just want to be seen.
Okay, so now that we're done with these two, let's take the waist. So first thing first, I'm gonna measure your waist. Lift your shirt up for me. Yeah.
My pants are
Okay.
Pepper. Look.
And just bring this down just a little bit. Oh, your waist is right here. Walking this way just to warm up. We're gonna walk for the reason why we're walking is because we're on an area that's like steep, and it's gonna bring your heart rate up. It's gonna warm up your whole entire total body. So we're just gonna start off doing it that way. And let's start off going here. We're gonna walk up and then come back down. All right. Okay, come on. Let's go. Get a workout in. Drink a sip of my coldest water. What you think about this bottle, right, Angel?
I like it.
You like it, right?
I didn't think it was gonna be as cold as it is, but it actually is cold.
Yeah, see, I told you. And it's convenient, right? Keeps your water nice and cool. So remember, the link for the coldest water bottle is going to be in the description below, so check that out. So Angel, what we're going to do is a total body exercise routine that we're going to just challenge you, not to a point where you can't take it, but just challenge you enough. right? So I'm gonna start off by raising your heart rate up again. This time we're gonna do shuffles where you just go from this tree to that tree.
Okay.
And we're gonna do, let's see, there and back is one set. We're going to do, there and back is one rep. We're going to do a total of 5 reps. Rest for 10-15 seconds, and then we'll implement the ball hops. All right, so I'll just show you. Just go from this tree. I want you to stay upright. Keep your chest upright. You're just gonna shift your hips back. That way most of your weight is here. Go all the way to that tree, and then come back, staying low this whole entire time. So there and back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then rest up. You got it?
Yep.
All right, I got you. See, notice how Angel got the fan neckband on? It's hot. This is convenient. Well, you're not. I don't want you to wear it while you're exercising because I don't want you to get sweaty. But the whole point of this is when it gets too hot, this is convenient for you to just wear it. You keep it around your neck. It has lights, so you can turn the lights on at nighttime. It turns different colors. You can't see it right now, but you can. It turns different colors like blue, red. It's pretty cool. It's awesome. So it's real convenient to have when it's super hot. And even with Paige, I'll put this around Paige's her seat, the seat of her stroller, so that if it's too hot, she can just have it and just enjoy the nice breeze that comes from the fan. 15% off. Discount code is going to be in the description below, so check that out. With that being said, Angel, let's get it. Let's get this workout on. You got it? Okay. 5 sets. Shift your hips back. Come down into that squat position. I want your chest to be upright. Right here. Come on, let's go. Yep. Nice. And just keep your chest upright. Right here. Try to keep your chest up. Try not to lean forward because then your back is going to start hurting if you lean forward. Come all the way. Don't cheat. Stop. That's 1. Deep breath. Inhale, exhale. You got it. Come on. How you feeling so far? Okay, good. Keep that squat low. That's 2. Come on.
Now I have burn.
Come on. Keep that. Let's go. Breathe. Inhale, exhale. You got it? Come back. 3. Come on. Let's go, Angel. You got this. Breathe. Keep that squat. Don't do your back. 3. Come on. We got 2 more. Your glutes. Come on. You got this, Angel. Keep your chest upright. We're almost there. You got it. Just did 3. That's 4. Take a second. I'll give you a second. Let's go. Back to it. Come on. You got this. After this, you feel a lot stronger. Last 1. There. Come on. Use your hips. Squat. Deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Last 1. Come on, Ange. You got it. Dive deep. Rest up. Breathe in. What happened to your coldest water bottle? Oh, you got 3 sets. You don't want to rest up for too long, because once you rest for too long, it's going to be hard to kick back up. How do you feel right now?
Tired, and my legs hurt.
Yeah. You know what? It's only temporary, especially at the beginning. The first 2 to 4 minutes of your exercise routine is going to be tough. After you get over that hump, I guarantee you won't feel the pain like you're feeling right now. Because as you're training, you're actually growing. You're getting stronger. It's harder to believe, but I guarantee you, tomorrow when you come out here and you do this, it's going to be 10 times easier. It's just because it's been a while.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
All right, Amy, you got this. you know, because I don't want you to strain your back. After a period of time, you'll wind up hurting yourself. So form is key right now at the beginning. You got it. Like this? Yep. Yeah. Yep, that's perfect. Nice. Nice. That's one. Yep. 3. Nice. 2. You got this, Ace. 3. Try not to cross your legs. You got it. More so shuffle instead of cross. That was 3. You got 2 more reps. Back. Nice. Just like that. Don't cross them. You got them. Yep. Don't cross them. Don't cross them. Going back, it's going to be 4. 4. 1 rep. Yes, Angel! Woo! How you feeling? Terrible. Okay. Rest up, walk around. I don't want you to just stop. I need your heart rate to go down. Have your heart rate slowly come down. And then we'll finish the last set of these. You're feeling good. By the end of, after this, you're gonna feel great. Hopefully. You're gonna hate me now, but then you're gonna thank me later.
I definitely hate you now.
Feel lightheaded and tired. Feel lightheaded. Well, the one thing is, I don't want you to rest too long. You know, because the fact that when you rest too long, you're gonna feel tired. It's gonna be hard to pick back up. So lightheaded. You ate anything before you came out here?
No.
Right now, like were you hungry when you was waiting in the hospital?
Not really. I was just like lightheaded and tired. Yeah.
So you're drinking water, you're fine. Regarding you being tired, it just maybe the change of your body just getting through this. It's been a while.
Yeah.
So the only thing I can say is rest up for a second. Go a little bit slower, but we're gonna finish the reps. Okay? If you start to really get dizzy to a point where you feel like you can't control it anymore, then we'll just end it at that. Okay? Because I won't push you. But your body is going through a change right now, so you're going to feel a lot of different things. Okay? All right, you got this. Control your mind. Don't tap out mentally. Just keep telling yourself you can get through it.
Yeah.
Because you can. I've seen you do this before. You got it. Okay?
Just stretch.
You already did 2. It's the last set. Deep breath. Go slower.
Yeah, go slower.
Well, you know what? Instead of squatting down, just shuffle, standing up. Instead of here, stand up. Do what I'm saying. Here? Yeah, stand up. Stand up all the way and just shuffle. Like, yeah. Without that squat in the middle.
That's what?
Yep, that's 2. Come on. Now 1 more. You got it. You got it, Ange. Got it. 4.5. You can just stand upright. Don't come into that squat. Just stand upright. Yep. Okay. Good. Complete 5. I'm not gonna kill you anymore. That was it. You did 3 sets. 5 reps. This is great total body exercise. You know, she was challenging mostly her lower body and her cardiovascular system at the same time. So therefore she's strengthening her legs, which is going to be beneficial in everyday life activity. That's awesome. Her cardiovascular activity, you already know the benefits of strengthening your cardiovascular activity. You can walk around, Angel. I don't want you to just stop and I need your heart rate to go down. Your back hurting is going to, it happens at the beginning because it's been a while. So with your core, with us working on your core strength and strengthening your core, that's going to improve over a period of time. It's going to be a challenge, Angel, but trust me, it's going to feel rewarding once you overcome these hurdles, because you're gifting yourself some type of mental strength to be able to push past the pain. It's transferable in every aspect in your life. Not to sound like a book. All right, you're gonna rest up. Next set. How do you feel, first of all? What's up?
Not lightheaded as much.
The reps aren't as intense as the previous set. So what I'm gonna have you do is, the next time you pick that ball up, squat down to pick it up. I don't want you using your back, because we're building good habits now. Lower back is tight. High. But, you know, just stretch it out or whatever. Try to finish. So what's gonna happen is, tomorrow I'm gonna give you exercise routine to do. You can wake up early. You can walk. Set that up, because your back is gonna hurt. You're gonna walk for at least 30 minutes to an hour, right? And then, what's that? With the Friday I won't be here, so all this whole entire week I'll give you a workout to do until I come back. Then we can start back up again. Yeah, 6 weeks, Age. She said, what did I sign up for?